Hey everyone, happy weekend. It's Sunday here, J Squared. Coming back with yet another installment on my upgrades for the CLA. And yeah, if you recognize the t-shirt, you'll understand this is the same day as what ended the last video, which you can watch and you'll understand how that came to be. So yeah, today we're going to be doing a little video, or I'm going to be doing a little video on just an upgrade, a little cosmetic accessory that I got for the CLA, and just something I want to share with you. So let's get into it. And pretty much there's two major clips on the top and the bottom, so I won't bore you with that. There's a clip here, you can make that out, and then there's one on the bottom. So I'm just gonna get that off and then I'll show you how it looks, so I'm not boring you with all that detail. All right, so there it is with the piece taken off. I think my light came on, which is good. So these are the clips. Really nothing going on back there. Nothing's gonna get in there per se. That's the piece taken out. Just a cheap plastic piece. I'll keep them just in case, you know, whatever, someone wants to revert it back. And then the carbon fiber piece over here. I'm gonna peel that off. I'm gonna put some glue here along the edge, just some glue gel, and it just so that's pretty much how it's gonna look after I installed. I believe these are hydro dip, just like the center console. So I'm just gonna clean this up with some I have a solution. I just mix water and hydrogen peroxide, or sometimes alcohol will work too, just to clean that up and help the promotion, the adhesion promotion better. So I'll clean that up and then I'll install it and show you how it looks. Really happy with the way they came out. Gives it a nice little detail. Wish those were real vents, but it's not like I need all that much brake cooling. I don't really use brakes, to be honest. Anyway, it's another story. So yeah, I'm very happy with the way that came out. The thing I'd like to do is put carbon fiber along here. There's a kit for that. It's a little expensive. I'm not going crazy with this. The car's not a keeper. Just trying to upgrade a little bit. So I'm trying to do a few other little cosmetic changes, but this was fun. I'm very happy with the look. There's a little contrast now. And yeah, thanks again. Just wanted to share that with you. I know it's not at the high end of cosmetic upgrades, but I think the parts cost me $17, and like I said, I think they're hydro dip, so they're matching with some of the other pieces that I've been putting on the car. And yeah, there's more pieces coming, like I mentioned, and just want to share them with you so you get some ideas on what you want to do. I'll post a link of where I purchased them on AliExpress. It came pretty quickly. I was happy about that. And thanks again for checking out the video. Make sure to subscribe, and that way you'll get updates on, or notifications for when I post up new videos. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.